How to optimizing your daily walk beyond step counting. Walking has long been heralded as one of the simplest yet most effective forms of exercise, celebrated for its accessibility and health benefits. The ubiquitous question that often arises in conversations surrounding walking is, how many steps do you really need? However, fixating solely on step count may overlook the nuanced complexities that truly optimize the health-enhancing potential of your daily walk. Rethinking step counting. The allure of counting steps stems from its tangible nature, a concrete measure of physical activity that fits neatly into our daily routines, often tracked via wearable devices. Studies extol the virtues of walking, with research suggesting that even modest increases in step count can confer notable health advantages. For instance, a study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine revealed that as few as 2,200 steps per day could mitigate the risks associated with sedentary lifestyles, such as heart disease and diabetes. However, delving deeper into the data reveals a more nuanced narrative: quality over quantity. Emerging research emphasizes that beyond sheer quantity, the quality of steps taken is equally, if not more, crucial for optimizing health outcomes. Merely focusing on reaching a predetermined step count threshold neglects the diverse physiological benefits that can be unlocked through deliberate variations in walking intensity and terrain. Strategies for maximizing your daily walk. 1. Commence with consistency. A fundamental starting point for individuals rekindling their walking routine is to simply begin. Whether it's a leisurely stroll around the neighborhood or pacing through the corridors of your home, the key is to initiate movement. According to Amanda Paluch, a kinesiology professor at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, even modest bouts of walking can yield tangible health benefits, especially for older adults or those managing chronic health conditions. 2. Gradual progression. Building upon the foundation of consistency, gradually escalate the intensity and duration of your walks. Start with attainable goals, such as achieving 2,000 steps, roughly equivalent to 1 mile, and incrementally increase your distance over time. This incremental approach not only fosters physical adaptation but also cultivates sustainable habits that endure beyond fleeting fitness fads. 3. Embrace variety. Diversifying your walking regimen introduces a multifaceted stimulus to your body, amplifying the physiological adaptations elicited by this seemingly simple activity. Incorporate inclines, declines, and varied terrain to engage different muscle groups and challenge your cardiovascular system. Additionally, interspersing brisk intervals with periods of leisurely walking can augment calorie expenditure and enhance cardiovascular fitness. 4. Mindful movement. Cultivate a sense of mindfulness during your walks, attuning yourself to the subtle sensations of your body and surroundings. Focus on maintaining proper posture, engaging your core muscles, and synchronizing your breath with each step. By fostering a mindful connection with your movement, you enhance proprioception and kinesthetic awareness, optimizing the efficacy of your walks. One-line sentences. In conclusion, while step counting serves as a valuable metric for monitoring physical activity, its significance pales in comparison to the multifaceted approach required to truly optimize the health benefits of walking. By prioritizing quality over quantity, embracing variety, and fostering mindful movement, you can transform your daily walk into a holistic wellness practice that transcends mere exercise. So, lace up your shoes, step outside, and embark on a journey toward enhanced vitality, one intentional stride at a time.